Hello, Sammler und Fallensteller. Today's video is a request to Reggys video from yesterday, where he shows us the little the little spanner sets from Therrys. And do you see these two little black points on the whiteboard? Well, I show you what it is. It's a little screw nut. And I was searching for a spanner for this screw nut. It's about 4 millimeters or something like that. And a few years ago I found a spanner set at the Auto Jumble in Bewley, and it's the same like Reggys, I guess. And this spanner fits. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.